All right, let's talk about perimeter. And for perimeter, this is really kind of all about addition and subtraction, and maybe a tiny bit of calculator work. And I'll show you a calculator trick here at the very end of this video. So let's look at what you would have to do in this problem right here, number 18, just for an example of perimeter. For perimeter, you add all the sides. And let's look at 19 to give even a simpler view of this. They give you all the sides: 3, 8, 10, and 7. Piece of cake. You add 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7, and you've got the answer. Let's go back over to 18. They give us this 15 here, and they give us this 7. And because of this being a parallelogram, even though they didn't tell us that, I guess just they're expecting that because you can look at it and you say, oh, no, I guess it's a parallelogram. So given that you know that, this would be the same length, and this would be the same length. And you would add the 7 plus the 7 and the 15 and the 15 and come up with your answer. Okay. Let's mosey on down to a little more complicated problem. And this is probably, if you see this type of thing in a house or a room or a backyard or something like that, and you're given, and we're going to look at number 22 here. And I don't know what that box is that keeps popping up there. I'm sure you see it too. Anyway, look at 22. And here we've got 10, 20, and 5, and 8. Well, we can't add all the sides because we don't know all the sides. Well, to get this side right here, that would be 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 equals, and you have no idea how difficult it is to write like this, 12. Okay. We do the same thing for this one right here. And I'm not going to even write this one. 10 minus 5 is 5. Cool. Then we add all these up. 5 plus 20 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 12. And you can do that. Some people can do it in their head. You might have to write it down, or you might use a calculator. That is going to be your choice. But you would need to come up with just an addition problem, and here's a little bit of subtraction here to come up with the 5 and the 12. Okay, now comes the big one. Your browser is copying to the clipboard for this? Fine. Let's look at this one right here. Number 23. All right, we've got some sides here. We don't know what they are. We've got this one, we've got this one, and we've got this one. This one over here is fairly easy because it's the same as this one, so it's 7. This one right here is 10. And we need to subtract, because we need this little spot right here, so we have to subtract 3. And we also have to subtract 5. And we're going to get 2. So this one's 2. For this one right here, we've got 7 minus 4, which will be 3. All right. now it's time to show you the calculator, the little itty bitty piece of calculator work to use. So I'm now, and you got to remember this is 2 and 3 because I'm going to lose this as I move over to the calculator. Remember, this is 2 and that's 3. Or is that right? 8, 10 minus 8. Yeah, this is 2. Yeah, 2 and that's 3. Okay. It's kind of tough. All right, here we go. Turn the calculator on. And second, clear. And here we go. We're going to add 5, and we're going to work our way around this way and finish up over here. 5 plus, and this one was 3 plus 2. That's 2 right here. Plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 10, and you hit enter. And then I say, oh shoot, I didn't put all the numbers in. I forgot to put the one for this side over here. And you think to yourself, man, this sure is a pain. I now have to retype all that stuff in on a calculator keyboard. Well, lo and behold, there's a trick. Second, enter. Oh, wow, look, it's back. And not only that, it lets me edit it. I can now finish up by saying plus 7 and come up with the answer, 41. So, did I do that right? 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7. And I have completed this problem. And this video is now coming to a close.